Welcome to Parkland Carpet One, home of Saskatchewan's largest showroom. We're locally owned and operated. Let's go for a tour. Luxury vinyl plank, luxury vinyl tile. These come in several formats in what's called an SPC, a WPC, a loose lay, or a glue down. Carpet comes in patterns, textured multicolors, and solids. Laminates come in new waterproof cores to create water resistance to prevent swelling of the joints. Hardwood also comes waterproof now, which is really unique for wood because wood and water don't usually mix. The new products actually have a hydrophobic barrier to keep the water totally away from the wood. They are also still hand scraped, wire brushed, and in lots of patterns. We have thousands of choices of ceramic tiles in wall and floor choices to fit everybody's taste. We do custom showers and complete waterproofing. Area rugs. We're proud to have the largest selection in Southern Saskatchewan with over 250 styles in stock at all times. Luxury vinyl sheet. The traditional floor covering of many homes has reinvented itself into high fashion, durable materials. Main Street commercial and institutional products. We have carpet tiles, carpet roll goods, luxury vinyl products in plank or in tiles, ceramic tiles, welded vinyl sheets, rubber stair treads, slip-resistant surfaces. Thanks for watching. To learn more about our great products or how-to videos, hit subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Until next time, see you.